friends, I'm Edyta Sitar from Laundry Basket Quilts. Welcome to Quilting Window. I am so happy you're here because guess what? We're working on our Tahoe quilt along. I am so excited about this project. The blocks, the diamonds are coming so nicely together. Today, we're gonna be making diamond 16. It's this diamond right here, and it's so simple. It has a little double diamond right here, and then it goes to another double diamond right here. I am so happy for you guys. So let's refresh a little bit cutting. Would you like that? I'm gonna be cutting a pink, and those units have to be cut at 2.5. I have my two strips placed right, one on the top of the other, and I have two strips because I need two diamonds for one beautiful diamond block. So right there, I measure 2.5. My line is right here. Everything is laying nice. I don't want to get distracted. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. With one cut, like I said, I'm gonna be getting two lovely diamonds. There you go. And now the smaller units, the smallest strip sets, they have to be cut at 1.5 inch. So just to refresh with you guys, if you need a little bit more help on sewing and cutting your strip sets, make sure you go ahead to our first video, because on the first housekeeping video, like the basic information video, I showed you exactly how to press, how to cut. We talk quite a bit about it. So right now I'm relying that you have absorbed that information, and all that you now do is just follow over and over the same steps: sewing, keeping the seams open, cutting, offsetting your strips. Those are just the nice basics, and I hope you are working on those and you are ready to put your blocks together. So this is how I cut this sets, and this is how I cut the bigger diamond. I'm gonna put my ruler to the side and let's start lining our block. I have those two together. The pink needs to be on each side. Now I'm gonna place those two together. Pay attention, because sometimes depends where the fabric goes, you maybe have a little bit difficulty recognize which color is it. So right there, notice I'm gonna put the pink, and the first step is going to be place those two together, and now matched right here in the middle. Okay, I'm gonna take the little thread right there in the middle, and I'm gonna push my pin so that way it comes out on the other side. Oh, it's wonderful. I'm so happy with this. Now make sure this is a 1/4 inch away from the edge right here, right there. There should be a distance, a 1/4 inch, and I'm gonna repeat this again. Your pin should be included in the measurements of the 1/4 inch, because you don't want it to take too much fabric. Your unit's gonna be too small. You're gonna stitch it down, you're gonna then flip it open, and now you're gonna move on and do the same thing with those two sets to create a diamond. As soon as you have both diamonds done, you're gonna open the seams in the back and proceed into sewing this to this and this to this by just placing right sides together, stitching, pressing the seam open. The last step is gonna be sewing this together and matching up this center. So look, we matched here, here, and then here, and look how nice this diamond look. I am so proud for you guys to be able to do that. All really nice. This especially was important because we matched those pieces really nice, this and this right here. Open all your seams like I told you, press it, grab your ruler, check if the measurements are correct, and you have a nice diamond, and repeat 7 more times for a total of 8 diamonds 16. I am so excited for you guys. I hope you're having fun with this gorgeous quilt along called Tahoe. It is gonna be a beautiful, beautiful project, and you are doing a great job. So keep going and keep making diamonds, and I can't wait to show you diamond 17 next time I see you. Happy quilting!